Kiranu monchumo ligirigoti garaboiga samangana alengetse no kuna cho weki na kurwase kambirikirgia Supreme Court munyakirobo wobocholi ne chibe IBC wa Chebukati ni gabaga kurenkwana yaye maiga yoko na chogo ikera ali tukoli alero kolengana Chebukati niga anyaraga ko bakerambya bakenya so weso kina kokorobo choli wa senchira yomulembe buraburu chinde chionse chesarane kiwa chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya chinga Chebukati ni ganyaraga ko banyara aba returning officer basiri ogumabwabo ekero bagendretse nemirimo yabasenchira yobo tutukano shinga kichibo igoni government rasoko bayirenirya mbiye muno ensemo yoburende asoko nekimnamba tingeti yoburende chinga kichiga cyobo cyole asate birebune kyombekeri cyobo cyoli nechimbe IBC yakore cyobo cyoli bwabo asenchirengi ya wanchirya condolency gotayo.
The Commission appreciates Kenyans for peacefully exercising their democratic right to vote on the 9th of August in accordance with Article 38 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. In fulfillment of the Constitution, the Commission put in place a robust and transparent election infrastructure to ensure that the votes cast were counted, electronically transmitted, verified, tallied, announced and declared in line with Articles 81 and 86 of the Constitution. The general election was conducted by about 1,000 dedicated permanent employees of the Commission, assisted by over 400,000 temporary staff countrywide. The Commission is grateful to this staff for a job well done. Additionally, the Commission recognizes the support by stakeholders, including the judiciary, the National Police Service, and service providers who participated in the electoral process. The Commission gives special recognition to development partners who provided support that bridged financial gaps in the Commission's budget. In the course of discharging our constitutional duty, the Commission and its staff endured harassment, intimidation, abduction, arrests, and some lost their lives. It's tragic that Mr. Daniel Mushoka, a returning officer for Embakasi East constituency, was abducted and tortured to death in the line of duty. In addition, Mr. Geoffrey Kitobu, a returning officer for Kishugu constituency, died in what could be election-related stress upon completion of elections in his constituency. In this general election, the abuse of IBC staff reached an unimaginable scale. Apart from the two deaths, the Commission and staff suffered other atrocities, including, but not limited to, assault and injury of the chairman, Commissioners Professor Abdi Gulier and Boya Molu, and the Commission Secretary